Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see, there are some features here. This is the drawing. We start with the base, 16.9, 2.7. New standard millimeters IPT, XY plane, rectangle, tab 2.7, center line, and 16.9. Finish sketch, revolve. Okay, this is the first volume. Now I create this face, yes, placed on the upper surface. Dimensions are in the drawing. Radius 7.3 placed at a distance of 5.3, 5.2. Then radius 2.35 in the center point. This is the center point, and with a thickness of 0.65. This. Okay, and let's create that sketch. We select this face, X to the right, we project this circle, we project also the vertical Z axis. It must be construction as well as this circle. Then we use the tool arc center point to create an arc with a radius 7.3 from here to the circle. To here. I trim the end. Then once again arc center point with this placement, with these two ends on the same horizontal, and the radius is 235. The center of this arc is placed at 5.3 and 5.2 from the center point. Then we apply mirror of this arc about this axis. Apply. Done. Once again we use arc center to draw another arc between these two points. Then we apply offset of 0.65. Finish. Extrude. This is 9.1 in the drawing. Next are these two cuts. This one and this one. Dimensions 5.5, 5.5, 4.15, and this line has an angle of 40.4 degrees and a point on it placed at 5.3, 5.2. We just know these dimensions, yes? Good. This means that we project the previous sketch and now we project this point and we place a point right here. Then we hide the sketch and we have that point placed on the sketch right here. We project this arc. Then we draw a line between two points on the circle. This is a chord. In fact, we place the line on the point, you see, and we project again the axis Z as a construction line, because we have to place this angle of 40.4 degrees. On the other hand, we draw another arc with this center starting from a point on the circle going to the point of the circle. I hope this is on the circle, but it is not. Trim this. The radius is 4.15 and the placement is 5.5 and 5.5. Fully constrained sketch. Finish, extrude this and this with cut all the way through the part. Okay. Next is this feature. Circle with radius 2.9 and with a depth of 1 millimeter. Let's do this. Once again, we have to activate this former sketch to get this point. We place we project the point and we place a point here. Then we hide the sketch. We draw a circle, a full circle with a radius 2.9. Then extrude with cut 1 millimeter. Okay. Then we see in this section that there is a difference between this line at 2.7 and this end of 8.1 minus 7.5, or simply 0.6. This is the same situation. Okay, we select this face for a new sketch. We project this area, finish, and extrude up on 0.6. Yes, with join, not cut. Okay. Then we create this cylinder with the hole inside, starting from that basic point, and as you can see, tangent to this and also tangent to this, because it has the same thickness. We can see here the situation. This circle and the other one are tangent to that sides. In other words, 0.65 is the thickness for both. Good. We select again this face. We draw a circle here. We project this geometry and this entire geometry. We place the center on the center point on the same vertical. We make tangent this circle with this circle with this, and we draw another circle going here, which means tangent. We can apply tangent, finish sketch. The height of this cylinder with hole is 7.5. Extrude this and this on 7.5. Okay. Now we have to add this volume, because this end is for internal here and this end is for internal here. The distance is 3.5. We select this face for a new sketch, project geometry of both, then apply extrude for both, also at 3.5. Okay. The part also has these two cylinders. The dimension are diameter of 1.7, distance of 9.2, distance of 4, and the height of 4 millimeters. We select the internal face. We place there a circle with the diameter of 1.7 and placed at a distance of half of 9.2 divided by 2 and 4 millimeters on vertical, as you see now. Finish sketch, extrude. Now we apply an extrusion to this face because they are at the same level. Okay, you can see this here. Yes, they are at the same level, 7.5. We use this plane to apply mirror of the last feature on this above this plane. Yes, you'll see the cylinder on the other end. The part also has this feature on the back and also hole here. Dimensions are here. 0.5 is the thickness, and we create this contour 0.5, circle of 2.8, circle of 5.5, diameters for both. And let's do this. We turn back the part and we create a new sketch. The most easier operation is to apply offset of 0.5. Then a circle somewhere here with a diameter of 2.8. I want you to note that there is a distance of 7 here at an angle of 54. We draw a line between the center and this point. Then we place a dimension of 7. We project the vertical axis Z. We make it a construction line. And we place that angle of 54. This is also construction. We draw a circle with this center, diameter of 5.5, then 2 lines. This one I want to be parallel with this. Restart. Another one also parallel. I hover the cursor over this and I get the parallelism. Trim. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I place the symmetry of these two about this axis. The dimension is 1.5. Then we apply extrude by selecting different areas with cut on 1 millimeter. Yes. Okay. Here is a hole, and we have dimensions here 1.4, 2.5 with a flat end. Okay. Hole. This is the face, this is the center, 1.4, 2.5 and flat end. Okay. Now let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is identical. Yes? Good. Cancel. We keep this one because it is the same. Then we apply material. It is ABS plastic. Then the general aspect is this. We apply a view with the default lights, and we see that they are the same. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.